do we even call this? Chicken loaf? Ugh. Ugh. What about chicken bread? Nah.
Protein bread!
Today we're making protein bread, aka chicken bread, aka literally making bread out of ground chicken. I saw this recipe on either TikTok or Instagram Reels. I'll link the username right here, and instantly was like, I gotta try this. This is either going to be gross, which I'm a little nervous about, or it's gonna be an insane protein hack. Let's go. Here's what you'll need. 16 ounces of ground chicken, 6 eggs, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. First, cook your ground chicken. Once it's done cooking, let it cool. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Now add the cooled chicken into the blender. Then add the 6 eggs, and then the baking powder and baking soda. Now we get a little bit naughty and we blend. Once all ingredients are blended, we pour it into a bread pan and get it in the oven for 30 to 45 minutes until it's golden brown. I'm not gonna lie, it did not smell good coming out of the blender. Bread's done, 35 minutes to be exact. Now it's time to let it cool. Dang, that actually looks legit. You can tell it's very eggy is the best way I describe the inside of it. But very fluffy. Moment of truth. It tastes like eggs. It's not bad. Definitely for the protein that's in it. Oh, there you go. Tastes a little chicken out. It's actually pretty good. Takes a minute for the chicken to hit. Once the chicken hits, it's pretty good. I can imagine breakfast being insane with this. I wouldn't do like pizza bread with it necessarily. I mean, I guess that wouldn't be bad, but hold on. All right, so I made breakfast for dinner with the bread. I put some ham, egg, and cheese on it. Like I said, the macros are insane, but it comes off tasting like quiche. The consistency and the taste is just okay. I'd probably give it like a 4 out of 10. Don't know if I'd ever cook it again, but it was cool to try. And yeah, if you're somebody that kind of wants to really cut down and do a low carb diet, but you don't want to get rid of bread, do it. Like it didn't taste bad. It was worth trying for sure. And the protein was insane on it. For being somebody that works out and needs to get a certain amount of protein, it was an awesome protein hack. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. There'll be plenty more content coming.